How to make prints of your artwork. I'm going to show you how I turned this original drawing into these fine art prints.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie Snow and I work under my artist name 4100.
I started off by taking a photo, so you can either photograph your artwork yourself, get it done professionally, or scan your work. I'm using the Canon EOS 6D, which is a full-frame DSLR, or you can use another camera, but do your research because you want it to be very high resolution. This artwork is called the Wolf Mandala, and it's a collaboration artwork with Kate Cecil. Kate drew the wolf in the middle and I drew its wreath of energy. Here's the photo which I'm taking onto my computer. I'm going to be using Adobe Photoshop to make the prints. I'm creating a new canvas 16 by 20 inches. You can choose your print size. Using the ruler tools, I'm pulling in some guidelines to make sure that I've got the artwork centered and perfectly symmetrical. Especially with a circle, when taking a photo of it, it can be quite tricky to get it right, so this combined with a warp tool means that I get it perfect every time. Using a mixture of brightness, contrast, curves and saturation, I make sure that the artwork is black and white. No faded yellow patches or grey content, so pure black and white. I'm using the selection tool to crop out the frame in this photo, so anything in your image that isn't the artwork itself. It's time to zoom in and clean the artwork up. So the goal here is not to change the artwork. We still want it to look genuine and hand-drawn, but if you can see here, there's a little black dot, so I'm just getting rid of that. It just makes the finished product super crispy and high quality. Okay, here's the finished artwork. I'm making a mock-up of the print. This will be sent to my printer as a reference, and I'll also use the image on social media and my website. In terms of the actual printing of your work, you can either print your prints at home by yourself. This will be much more economical, but it will be a lower quality in general unless you have a super professional printer. I use a fine art printer because it's really important to me that my prints are archival, fine art giclée prints. They're the highest quality, pigment inks and beautiful textured paper. And here are the prints. This is a limited edition print, so there are only 150 that exist. However, you might choose to do an open edition, so that means you can create an unlimited amount. You could also make the open edition a little different. So for example, for my open edition prints, I print my signature instead of hand signing it, and that distinguishes the two from each other, providing more value for the limited edition prints. If you'd like to buy this print, the Wolf Mandala, it is available on my website. The proceeds are split between the two artists, Kate Cecil and myself, and we also donate a portion to Clay Quot Cleanup. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped show you how to make prints of your artwork. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.